Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
Grammar for Beginners. 5 patterns. Set 1. Subject verb. I play. I play. I eat. I grow. I wear. I drink. Subject verb object. She plays the piano. I play the piano. She plays the piano. I play the piano. I eat noodles. She eats noodles. I grow vegetables. He grows vegetables. I wear sunglasses. She wears sunglasses. I drink coffee. She drinks coffee. Subject, verb, adjective. She is happy. I am happy. I am happy. She is happy. I am short. He is short. I am scared. She is scared. I am troubled. He is troubled. I am busy. She is busy. Subject, verb, adverb. She walks quickly. I walk quickly. I walk quickly. She walks quickly. I work diligently. She works diligently. I stretch slowly. They stretch slowly. I get angry easily. He gets angry easily. I skate dangerously. He skates dangerously. Subject, verb, preposition, object. She listens to music. I listen to music. I listen to music. She listens to music. I talk with friends. He talks with friends. I sleep on the sofa. He sleeps on the sofa. I learn by questioning. She learns by questioning. I walk through the park. She walks through the park. Don't stop now. Keep practicing. I read. She sings. They walk. I read books. She sings opera. They walk the dog. I am tired. She is loud. They are athletic. I read carefully. She sings beautifully. They walk slowly. I read on my bed. She sings in a group. They walk with their dog. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, mkulek.com. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please check out my Patreon page and my website, mkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.